Understanding your pet's carbon footprint. Pets impact the environment through food production, toys, and grooming. Small changes in these areas can yield big benefits for our planet. Sustainable pet food. Choose pet foods made with sustainable ingredients, like responsibly sourced fish, organic meats, or plant-based formulas. Buying in bulk reduces packaging waste. Conventional pet food. Many commercial pet foods rely on industrial animal farming and excessive packaging, increasing carbon footprint and waste. Eco-friendly toys and bedding. Choose toys made from natural or recycled materials like hemp and bamboo. Durable, washable bedding helps reduce disposable waste and supports comfort. Waste reduction tips. Use compostable waste bags for dogs. Choose biodegradable cat litter made from wood, paper, or corn. These choices reduce landfill waste and pollution. 1. Repair and repurpose pet items. Fix or reuse pet accessories instead of buying new ones. Donate gently used items to shelters and reuse old blankets for pet bedding. Sustainable pet ownership isn't about perfection, it's about mindful choices. Together, we keep our pets happy and leave the world greener, one paw at a time.